Welcome back, Navi. Navi?
Why you come in so early?
No, I didn't join the class early. I joined the class at exactly 10:30. Exactly 10:30, Navi. That is not early. Okay, so now let us start talking about this picture right here since we're done watching the video. Okay, so please start now, Navi. Please start now.
Hmm, this is the picture of the zoo. There are some animals in this picture. I can see a seal. On his nose, there's a a a ball, and he is rolling in his nose. Some like the children and penguins are looking at the seal. The hippopotamus is doing something. He smiled too. The
Where's the
girl
hippo?
wants to.
Where is the hippo? Oh, okay, okay. Continue, continue.
I think he's taking a photo of everyone because he used the thing to put the phone up and click.
Okay, continue, Nabi.
And and the, and there's a crocodile. He is taking a box and going to like he's a doctor who has a a a, a very not good. Well, the alligator will help. There's a sister and a baby. They are talking to each other. There's a zebra, and it is it is smile to the other one. There is a man. He's looking at a giraffe, but the giraffe is eating some trees. There are the parrots. It's on the tree, and the monkey looks at something falling, and it wants to climb down to take that. There's a monkey is behind two children are looking at the elephant. I can see the monkey and the baby are drinking tea to each other, and and they're sitting on a wall of the tiger cave, cave, and the tiger is looking up at the sky. The zoo is happy and everyone is is funny.
Everyone is funny? Why is it everyone
Teacher,
is funny?
I I see again. This is not a face of the tree. This is from the zebra.
Where? Oh, okay, because it suits perfectly, right? It suits perfectly to the tree. Okay, so it is not the monkey. It's the zebra. Okay, thank you so much for that, Navi. Now, if you find it difficult where to start, especially if you're talking to a picture like this, Navi, wherein a lot of things are happening, then you can start by talking about the left side first and then talk about the right side, or you can start in the middle. Okay, so you have clues, Navi. Now, let me read it for you. I know you are tired now. Okay, so this is, what is it?
Con lỡ làm rớt cái này này.
Okay, so now this is a picture of a zoo. There are many animals and people having fun. In the middle, there is a big elephant inside a red fence. A zookeeper is cleaning near the elephant. A green crocodile is holding a suitcase. A woman with a baby stroller is standing between the crocodile and the zebra. Behind her, a giraffe is eating leaves. A bird and a snake are sitting in the tree. On the left, a seal is balancing a ball on its nose. Penguins are walking around, and a polar bear is resting in the water. A man in a blue uniform is carrying two buckets. On the right, a tiger is in its enclosure. A girl and a monkey are having a drink on the fence of the tiger's enclosure. The zoo is full of exciting animals and happy people. Okay, there you have it, Navi. So that is good. So now I hope you'll be able to apply what you have learned, how to organize your ideas in our upcoming pictures, Navi. So we have here this one. It's easier one, Navi. So I will not show you the video for this. Okay, can you tell me where is the bird?
No, I want to watch the video first.
No, Navi. Where is the bird? How will you learn if you always depend on watching the video, Navi?
But when just 1 minute, I will don't know anything again.
No, Navi, not like that, Navi. You have to improve. You have to be independent, Navi, not
Yes, I
relying
know,
on the video.
but I know, but when just 1 minute, I will don't know anything.
No, of course you
On the
will
video.
know. You will know because you are smart.
I don't know.
You will know. You are smart, Navi. I know you are smart. So
I
we
don't
will
know. I don't
we
know.
will we will refuse on watching the videos, okay? Now let us have this one. Where is the bird, Navi? Where is the bird? Start now, Navi. Why are you not answering, Navi? I'm asking where is the bird? Where is the bird, Navi? Can you see the bird? Can you see the bird? Can you see the bird, Navi? Where is the bird?
It's in the cage.
Okay, very good. Is there a doll sitting on a green chair?
No.
No?
It is. No,
No,
there
there.
is.
Okay, no, there isn't. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing, Navi?
The girl is reading a book.
Okay, yes, that is correct. The girl. Okay, let us continue. So, can you tell me, where is the mirror?
The mirror is between two 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 I don't know, two watts.
The mirror is between the
The
what is it?
I don't know.
Well, you can say the mirror is between two things, Navi, or you can say the mirror is between the ball and the robot, or the mirror is on the wall on top of the bookshelf. Okay? Above the bookshelf, I mean. Now, next one, where is the teddy bear?
I'll tell you about it on the bed.
Okay. What animal is in the picture near the window?
It's the
Can you answer in a complete sentence, Navi? Why are you answering it directly? What animal is in the picture near the window?
it always near the the dog is the picture near
Picture
the
of a
window.
dog.
A picture of a dog is near the window.
What color is the ball? What color is the ball?
Alright. It's orange.
Okay, the ball is orange. Okay, please practice answering in a complete sentence, Navi. Avoid answering in a direct way. Okay, so now it is your turn to talk about this picture right here. I know you are more than ready, Navi, so please start right away. Please start now, Navi. Do you need time? Do you need time to organize your ideas, Navi?
Or do you want to watch the video first?
No, we won't watch the video, Navi. You have to talk about this one. We have few items here. We only have one person, Navi. That is easy to talk about. Okay, so let us practice, Navi. Don't rely on watching the video. Okay, so please start now.
Mm.
No, it's not difficult at all, Navi. Do you need time? I can give you 1 minute. Do you need time? Okay, 2 minutes then. Okay, 2 minutes. So we will start at 16. Take your time, Navi. And I'll go grab some water first. A glass of water first.
Okay.
Are you ready now, Navi?
Now.
You only have 30 seconds. Ready or not, we have to start. Start now, Navi. Ready or not, you have to start now.
Mình nghe con chuột ăn kỳ lạ lắm chị nhé, không ăn màu.
What happened, Navi? Okay, let us start now. Let us start now, Navi. This is a picture of Please continue, Navi. This is a picture of What is it, Navi? This is a picture of a Navi.
Wait a minute.
I've given you enough time to talk about it. Please start now, Navi.
This is a picture of
A bedroom.
this is a bedroom.
Continue. Continue, Navi. Continue. Okay, so this is a picture of a bedroom. And then, why did you stop? Why did you stop?
Mm.
Continue, Navi. What are you doing, Navi?
Mm.
This is a picture of the bedroom. There is, or a girl is,
The girl is reading a book. The dog, I think the dog is watching too, right?
focus, Navi. How will you be able to present it if you're not even looking at the screen?
The girl is reading a book. The dog is one listening too. The teddy bear is looking on the left. There's a dog with a pink dress is sitting on the red chair. There's a bird. It is singing in the cave. Between the a window is between two things. There's a dog. There's a dog in the picture. The robot is sleeping, and the orange balls on the table or on the bookcase. There's a horse in the picture. It's they're 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 looking too. This is a simple room. This the room is quiet and everyone is happy.
Okay, why did you say everyone, Navi? We only have the girl. Okay, the room is tidy and the girl is enjoying her time. Okay, so thank you so much for that, Navi. But I know you can do better than that, Navi. You could have at least talk about each, where they are positioned, and as well as the lamp near it, Navi, which is on top of the cabinet, and you did not include that. You as well said that there is a horse in the picture. What do you mean by that? There is a picture of a horse, Navi, on the wall. Please be mindful of the words you are using, Navi, as it can make a different meaning to what you're trying to portray. Okay, so that is it. And now let us watch the video so you can see the differences. Okay, 27 now. Please watch,
This is a
Navi.
picture of a cozy and tidy bedroom. In the center of the room, a girl is sitting on her bed, holding a yellow book and reading happily. There is a doll and a teddy bear sitting behind her. On the left side of the bed, there is a set of drawers with a lamp on it. Above the drawers is a window with purple curtains. A bird cage with 2 blue birds is hanging near the window. On the right, there is a bookcase with a ball and a robot on it. A mirror is above the bookcase. To the left of the room, there is a red chair with another doll sitting on it. On the walls, there are pictures of a puppy and a horse. The room is clean and neat.
Okay, there you have it, Navi. See, it's easy, right? No? What makes it difficult, Navi? We keep on practicing it. See, we're already in speaking practice 27. So it should be easier for you now, Navi. Now let us have 28. Are there two girls standing in the
There are
barbecue?
2 minutes more.
Yes. You have to answer my questions. Are there two girls standing next to the barbecue?
Yes, there
Yes,
are.
there. Okay. How many cats are there?
There is 1 cat.
How many people are standing up?
There are 3 people are standing up.
Okay, who are standing? What color is the cat's fur?
It's gray and white.
Where is the fruit basket?
It's on the table.
How many people are wearing hats?
There are 2 people are wearing hats.
Just one?
2. I
Just
say
one.
there are 2 baby. No.
Just one. This is a
2.
hat, Navi. This is a cup. The other
Ah.
one, Navi, that is a cup. The other one, that is a hat. Okay, now, what color are the boy's eyes? You can see it clearly.
It's blue.
Okay, they are. Is it blue?
Blue.
No.
No, it's green.
What about you? What color are your eyes?
It's black.
Oh, it's black. Do you know what color my eyes are?
Brown.
How did you know?
Ah.
Okay, yes, it's brown, Navi. But Vietnamese, you have black eyes. Okay, now I know you're
Yes,
tired.
I know. And the other place, they will be brown or green or blue. But in my place,
Yes,
just
just
black.
black. Okay, very unique, Navi. Okay, so now let's end our class here, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Navi.